The way we work is changing. Gone are the days of predictable 9-to-5 jobs. Today, people crave flexibility and control over their income. This shift is driven by technology and a desire for more freedom. The traditional job market is evolving rapidly. Companies are downsizing and remote work is on the rise. This creates uncertainty, but also opportunity. You can generate multiple income streams and secure your financial well-being. Freelancing, online businesses, and side hustles are becoming the norm. This means you're in the driver's seat. You can choose projects you're passionate about and set your own hours. This guide is your roadmap to navigating this exciting new world. Get ready to unlock your earning potential and achieve financial freedom. What exactly is a side hustle? It's any income-generating activity you do outside your main job. It could be anything from freelance writing to driving for a ride-sharing service. The beauty of a side hustle is flexibility and unlimited earning potential. Side hustles are more than just extra cash. They're about empowerment. Imagine having the freedom to pursue your passions, travel, or spend more time with loved ones. The internet has opened up a world of possibilities for side hustles. The key is to identify your skills and passions. Get ready to discover your perfect side hustle and start your journey towards financial freedom. Financial freedom means something different to everyone. For some, it's the ability to retire early. For others, it's having the financial security to pursue their passions without worrying about money. Imagine this: waking up without the dread of going to a job you dislike. Instead, you choose how to spend your day, working on projects that excite you. Achieving financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. It requires hard work, dedication, and a solid plan. Get ready to take control of your finances and unlock a future filled with possibilities. Remember, a side hustle isn't about replacing your main source of income overnight. It's about building something gradually, brick by brick. Think of it as planting a seed. One of the biggest misconceptions about side hustles is that they're only for certain types of people. That's simply not true. Whether you're a creative soul, a tech whiz, or have a knack for organization, there's a side hustle out there for you. Take a moment to consider your skills and interests. Maybe you're a natural writer, a coding enthusiast, or have a passion for photography. The beauty of the internet is that it connects you to a global marketplace. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Etsy make it easier than ever to showcase your skills and connect with potential customers. Let's dive into some of the hottest side hustles in the gig economy. One popular option is freelance writing. With the rise of content marketing, businesses are constantly on the lookout for talented writers. Another lucrative avenue is web development. In today's digital age, every business needs a website. If you have coding skills, you can offer your services as a freelance web developer. For those who enjoy driving, ride-sharing services like Uber and Lyft offer a flexible way to earn extra income. If you have a passion for food, consider becoming a food delivery driver for platforms like DoorDash or Uber Eats. Remember those hobbies you love? They could be your ticket to side hustle success. Are you a talented artist or crafter? Platforms like Etsy provide a marketplace to sell your handmade goods. If you have a passion for fitness, consider becoming a certified personal trainer or yoga instructor. Are you a whiz at a particular subject? Consider sharing your knowledge by creating and selling online courses. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to package your expertise into digital products. Don't underestimate the power of your unique skills and passions. With a little creativity and effort, you can turn them into profitable side hustles. Building a successful side hustle takes more than just a great idea. It requires treating it like a business. This means setting clear goals, creating a plan, and being consistent with your efforts. Start by setting realistic goals for your side hustle. Next, create a simple business plan. Consistency is key. Set aside dedicated time each week to work on your side hustle. Treat it like a real job, even if it's just for a few hours a week. The more effort you put in, the faster you'll see results. Remember, building a successful side hustle is a journey. We've talked about earning more with side hustles. Now let's talk about protecting what you earn. That's where an emergency fund comes in. Think of it as your financial safety net, a buffer against life's unexpected events. How much should you save in your emergency fund? A good rule of thumb is to have 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses set aside. Start by calculating your monthly expenses and multiply that amount by 3 to 6 to determine your emergency fund goal. Credit cards can be powerful financial tools when used responsibly. They offer convenience and a way to build credit, but they can also lead to debt if not managed carefully. One of the biggest perks of credit cards is rewards programs. Many credit cards offer cashback, travel points, or other perks for your spending. However, it's crucial to use credit cards wisely. Avoid overspending just to earn rewards. Only charge what you can afford to pay back in full each month. Earning more is great, but it's equally important to be mindful of your spending. Small, consistent changes to your spending habits can make a big difference over time. Start by tracking your expenses for a month. Categorize your spending to identify areas where you tend to overspend. Once you have a clear picture of your spending patterns, look for areas where you can cut back without sacrificing your lifestyle. Prioritize your needs and be mindful of your wants. Budgeting often gets a bad rap. People associate it with restrictions and deprivation. But budgeting is actually about empowering yourself to make conscious financial decisions. Think of a budget as a roadmap to your financial destination. It helps you track your income, expenses, and savings, ensuring you're on track to reach your goals. There are various budgeting methods, so find one that works best for you. The key is to review your budget regularly and make necessary adjustments to stay on track. Cryptocurrency is one of the most talked about investment strategies today. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital currencies have seen meteoric rises in value. Unlike traditional currencies, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized platforms using blockchain technology. Investing in cryptocurrencies can be highly rewarding, but it also comes with significant risks. The market is known for its volatility. To get started with cryptocurrency investing, it's crucial to conduct thorough research. Understand the different types of cryptocurrencies and the technology behind them. Remember, only invest what you can afford to lose, as the crypto market can be unpredictable. The stock market remains one of the most popular investment avenues. It offers a range of opportunities for growing your wealth. Investing in stocks means buying shares of a company, making you a partial owner. As the company grows and profits, so does the value of your shares. To invest in the stock market successfully, start by understanding the basics. Learn about different types of stocks and how the stock market operates. Research is key when investing in stocks. Look into companies' financial health, market position, and growth potential. Diversification is also crucial in stock investing. Spread your investments across different sectors and industries to minimize risks. Section 3. Delving into property investments. Property investment is a tried-and-true method for building wealth. Real estate can provide steady cash flow, tax benefits, and long-term appreciation. Invest in rental properties, commercial real estate, or flipping houses. Start by educating yourself about the real estate market. Understand different types of properties and their potential returns. Sites like Zillow can help you track property prices and trends. Consider hiring a real estate agent for expert guidance. Financing is crucial. Evaluate your financial situation and explore options. Ensure your credit score is in good shape. Location is key. Invest in areas with strong economic growth. The right location can boost your property's value and rental income. Section 4. Diversification, the key to reducing risk. Diversification is a fundamental principle of investing. It involves spreading your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. By having a mix of assets like stocks, bonds, real estate, and cryptocurrencies, you can protect your portfolio against market volatility. A diversified portfolio helps balance the risk-reward ratio. When one asset class underperforms, others may perform well, offsetting potential losses. This strategy ensures that your investment returns are more stable. Section 1. Mastering the art of SEO. You've poured your heart and soul into your side hustle, but how do you get people to find you online? That's where search engine optimization, or SEO, comes in. Think of SEO as the magic ingredient that makes your website visible on Google. When someone searches for something related to your business, you want your website to appear at the top of the search results. SEO helps you achieve this by optimizing your website content and structure to rank higher in search engine algorithms. Section 2. Harnessing the power of social media marketing. Social media has revolutionized the way businesses connect with their target audience. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube offer powerful tools to engage potential customers and build a loyal following. Start by identifying the social media platforms where your target audience hangs out. Create engaging profiles that showcase your brand personality and what you offer. Use high-quality images, videos, and compelling copy to capture attention. Social media is all about interaction. Respond to comments, answer questions, and participate in conversations. Engage with your followers, build relationships, and establish yourself as a trusted authority in your niche. Don't be afraid to get creative with your social media content. Run contests, offer exclusive discounts, and share behind-the-scenes glimpses of your business. The key is to provide value to your followers and keep them coming back for more. Section 3. Content is king. Building a loyal audience. Content marketing is a powerful way to attract and retain customers. By creating and sharing valuable, relevant, and consistent content, you can establish yourself as a thought leader in your industry and build trust with your audience. What kind of content resonates with your target audience? Consider their interests, challenges, and aspirations. Create blog posts, articles, videos, infographics, or podcasts that provide value and address their pain points. Consistency is key in content marketing. Establish a regular posting schedule and stick to it. This could be weekly blog posts, daily social media updates, or monthly videos. The goal is to stay top of mind with your audience and provide a steady stream of valuable content. Promote your content across different channels. Share your blog posts on social media, embed videos on your website, and guest post on other relevant blogs. The wider you distribute your content, the more people you'll reach. Section 4. Tracking your success, analytics, and optimization. In the digital world, data is king. Tracking your marketing efforts is crucial to understanding what's working, what's not, and how to optimize your strategies for better results. Most social media platforms offer built-in analytics dashboards that provide insights into your audience demographics, engagement rates, and reach. Use these tools to track your progress and identify areas for improvement. For your website, Google Analytics is an invaluable tool. It provides a wealth of information about your website traffic, including where your visitors are coming from, which pages they're visiting, and how long they're staying on your site. This data helps you understand your audience's behavior and optimize your website content and user experience. Don't be afraid to experiment with different marketing strategies and track the results. The beauty of digital marketing is that it's measurable. Use the data you gather to refine your approach and maximize your return on investment. Let's face it, we all make mistakes, but some financial mistakes can have lasting consequences. Many common financial pitfalls can be avoided with knowledge and planning. Start saving for retirement early. Time is your greatest asset. The earlier you start, the more your money grows. Avoid high-interest credit card debt. Only charge what you can pay back in full each month. Managing your finances doesn't have to be complicated. With a few simple strategies, you can take control of your money and work towards your financial goals. Remember, small, consistent actions add up over time. Start by automating your savings. Set up a system where a portion of your income is automatically transferred to your savings account each month. This pay-yourself-first approach ensures you're consistently saving without even thinking about it. Track your spending. Whether you use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or a simple notebook, the key is to be aware of where your money is going. Categorize your expenses to identify areas where you might be overspending. Negotiate your bills. Many service providers are willing to negotiate lower rates if you simply ask. This applies to your internet, cable, phone, and even insurance premiums. A few minutes on the phone can potentially save you hundreds of dollars a year. One of the most important financial concepts to understand is compound growth. It means earning interest on your interest. It's like a snowball effect. The longer your money is invested, the faster it grows. Imagine investing $1,000 today at a 7% annual return. After 1 year, you would have earned $70 in interest. In year 2, you earn interest on your initial investment and the interest from the previous year. This compounding effect continues year after year. Start investing early, even small amounts. Consistency is key. We've covered a lot of ground in this guide, from the power of side hustles to smart investing strategies and effective marketing techniques. Now, it's time to take action. The first step is often the hardest, but it's also the most rewarding. Don't get bogged down by analysis paralysis. You don't need to have all the answers right away. Start with one small step. Choose a side hustle idea that excites you and commit to taking action. Remember, you can always adjust your approach along the way. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps. Instead of aiming to make $1 million, focus on generating an extra $500 this month from your side hustle. Once you achieve that, set a new, slightly more challenging goal. Celebrate your progress along the way. It will keep you motivated. Remember, this journey is about more than just money. It's about taking control of your life, pursuing your passions, and creating a future filled with possibilities. Embrace the challenges and celebrate the victories. You've got this. Building multiple income streams and achieving financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs along the way. Embrace the challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are valuable lessons in disguise. Surround yourself with a supportive community. Connect with other entrepreneurs, side hustlers, and like-minded individuals who can offer encouragement, advice, and inspiration. Join online forums, attend local meetups, and build relationships with people who understand your journey. Remember to enjoy the process. Building something meaningful takes time and effort, but it should also be enjoyable. If you're not passionate about your side hustle, it will eventually feel like a chore. Choose something you genuinely enjoy, and the financial rewards will follow. Most importantly, believe in yourself. You have the power to create the life you want. Don't let fear, self-doubt, or limiting beliefs hold you back. Take action, stay consistent, and never give up on your dreams. Imagine a life where you're not bound by a 9-to-5 job, where you have the freedom to choose how you spend your time, and where money is no longer a source of stress. This is the power of financial freedom. Picture yourself waking up without an alarm clock, enjoying a leisurely breakfast with your loved ones, and spending your days pursuing your passions. Imagine having the financial security to travel the world, invest in your dreams, and give back to your community. This is the future you're creating for yourself. By taking control of your finances, building multiple income streams, and investing wisely, you're paving the way for a brighter, more fulfilling tomorrow. Remember, financial freedom is not just about having a lot of money. It's about having the freedom to live life on your own terms. It's about aligning your actions with your values and creating a life of purpose and meaning. Now go out there and make it happen.